Hi student, already I explained about water. Now let us read a poem. The poem title is Water Oh Water. Listen, water. I will wash my face with water, said Munna to his Nani. We all quench our thirst with water. We are all alive because of water. Water has been with us for ages. It has story can fill so many pages. Munna is talking to his Nani that he washes his face with water. We all quench our thirst with water. When we feel thirsty, we all drink water. We are alive because of water. We cannot live without water. Water has been with us for ages. Its story can fill so many pages. Water has always stayed with us. No life on earth without water. So, the story can fill so many pages. Next, somewhere it is dew, somewhere it is snow. Steam is also water, as you know. Water has forms so many. That is what say my nanny. Now the grandma talking to Munna. Water is found in many forms such as dew, snow and steam. Steam also one of the water form. Next, the river flow, the waterfalls sing and water swells in lakes and springs. Life on earth it has brought water field and life they got. But when the water breaks in flood, great misfortune it always works. Listen, water on earth is the main thing for human being to live on earth, and also we need water for agriculture. When the water turns to flooding, can cause disaster. It has written by Sri Prasad. Once again, listen here. I will wash my face with water, said Munna to his Nani. We all quench our thirst with water. We are all alive because of water. Water has been with us for ages. Its story can fill so many pages. Somewhere it is dew, somewhere it is snow. Steam is also water, as you know. Water has forms so many. That is what say my Nani. The river flow, the waterfalls sing, and water swells in lakes and springs. Life on earth it has brought, water fill and life they got. But when the water breaks in flood, great misfortune it always works. It has written by Sri Prasad. Now turn the page. Do you know any poem or song on water? Recite it in the class. Which are the places mentioned in the poem where we find water? Which are the places mentioned in the poem where we find water? Right here. River, waterfall, lake and spring. Next, tick the activities for which water is needed. Tick the activities for which water is needed. To play, not needed. To sing, not needed. To row boat, we needed. Next, to write, not needed. To make tea, needed. To knead dough, needed. To run a fan, not needed. To paint pictures, needed. To grow plant, needed. Next, name any 4 activities which you can do without water. Which you can do without water. We can do without water. We can play without water. We can sing without water. Write and we can speak without water. And name any 4 activities which you cannot do without water. We cannot do without water. We cannot take bath without water. We cannot cook without water. We cannot drink without water. We cannot wash our cloth without water. Next, water more or less. Arrange the following on the basis of the amount of water that is needed for each of the activities. Begin with the activity that needs the most water. To bath, to drink, to clean the house, to water the field, to knead the dough. Here we need more water to water the field. So this is first one. Next, we need more water to clean our house. This is second one. Next, we need water This is third one. And next we need water, more water to drink. Next last one is to need the deaf. Next, water from where? In the poem you read about rivers, waterfalls, lakes and springs. We get water from all these places. From where do you get water? Put around those places that are either in your house or around it. From where do you get water? Where do you get water? We can get water from tap, tank and tube well. That's all. Next, have you seen hot water coming out of the ground? Where? No, we cannot see. Does any river flow through your village or city? If yes, write its name. Yes, Kaveri flows through my city. Do you know the name of any rivers? Write their names. Yes, I know the names of some rivers: Yamuna, Ganga, Krishna and Kaveri. Next, at home, where do you get drinking water from? At your home, where do you get drinking water? In taps. In taps, through the pipeline, we are getting drinking water. Do you have to go far to get water? How much time does it take to bring the water? No, we don't have to go far long as to get water. It is come through the pipe. Do your neighbors bring water from the same place? Yes, my neighbors also get water from the pipeline. Why do we need to store water? Water needs to be stored because water might not be supplied throughout the day. Who fetches and stores water in your house? Who fetches and stores water in your house? My parents store water. My parents store water in our house. Are there certain people who are not allowed to take water from there? No, there is no such a case. Next. Color the pictures of those containers which you use for storing water. Color the container which you are using for store water. In your notebook, draw a pictures of any other containers which are used for storing water in your house. Write their names as well. Take a look at the pictures. If we fill them with water, which will contain the least water, which will contain the most water? How could you tell? Find the picture and write the answer. Chutki is confused. Hiran and Chutki were feeling very thirsty. Their uncle gave both of them mango bana in steel tumblers, but Chutki wanted the drink only in a glass tumbler. Her uncle poured the bana into a glass tumbler, but Chutki was not happy. She complained, "Uncle, you have given me less bana." What do you feel? Did Chutki's glass tumbler have less bana? No. The amount of is same as earlier. The amount is same as earlier, but tumblers are differ. Next, given in the grid are some places where water is found. Find 7 of them and put around each. One has already been done for you. One has been done for you. Next, we have to search. Listen here. Lake. Circle it. And well. Rain. Pond. Sea. Next, tape. These are our water bodies. Next, turn the page. In every row, put a round and that is different from the each others. Also, tell how it is different. First one is river, mountain, lake, pond and spring. Here, river, lake, pond and spring, these and all water bodies, and mountain is not a water body, so circling. Bathing, washing clothes, swimming, combing hair, kneading dough. Bathing, we need water to bath, we need water to washing our cloth, we need water to swim, we need water to kneading dough, we no need water for combing her hair, so circling. Next, fish, duck, monkey, crocodile, tortoise. Fish, duck, crocodile, tortoise can live in water, monkey cannot live in water, so circle it. Next, car, boat, bus, train, bicycle. Here car, bus, train and bicycle is modes of road transport. Boat is mode of water transport, so circle here. Next, listen here. Fun with colors. Take a paper and fold it in the middle. Now unfold it and put some drops of different colors on it. Fold the paper again and press it. Unfold the paper. Look what you have made. So you do this activity at your home. Thank you.